Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. No medicine cures what happiness cannot. Happiness is the best makeup. Happy girls are the prettiest. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Be happy in the moment. That is enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Mother Teresa. To be happy, we must not be too concerned with others. Happiness is like a cloud. If you stare at it long enough, it evaporates. Plenty of people miss their share of happiness, not because they never found it, but because they did not stop to enjoy it. The foolish man seeks happiness in the distance. The wise grows it under his feet. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Tension is who you think you should be. Relaxation is who you are. The talent for being happy is appreciating and liking what you have instead of what you don't have. The key to being happy is knowing you have the power to choose what to accept and what to let go. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. Even a happy life cannot be without a measure of darkness, and the word happy would lose its meaning if it were not balanced by sadness. Carl Jung. We all live with the objective of being happy. Our lives are all different and yet the same. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are and not who people think you are. I, not events, have the power to make me happy or unhappy. I can choose which it shall be. Yesterday is dead. Tomorrow has not arrived yet. I have just one day today, and I am going to be happy in it. Hope you liked the contents. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a happy day ahead. Good luck.